Hello children, let's go for the fourth lesson, Grandma. So already we have finished the reading of the lesson. Now we'll start the explanation. So listen carefully children, okay? Okay, we'll begin our lesson. So what is the heading of the lesson children? Grandma. What it is? Grandma. Grandma means, who is grandma? Yes, everyone knows. Yes, grandma is our loved one. Grandpa, grandma means our grandparent. So you can see in the picture so nicely a grandma is sitting in the chair. So she is a grandma. So this lesson all about a grandma. So everyone like a grandma, right? We all like a grandparents, grandma, grandpa, we all like. Yes, no children? Because they take care of us. They are the one who takes care. They loves us more. They feed us and they make a more happy. Right children? Yes. Now we'll go what it is grandma. So grandma is sitting on her rocking chair. She's rocking slowly. So she is the grandma and she is sitting in the chair. What they call for this chair? It is the rocking chair. What it is? Rocking chair means it goes front and back, means forwards and backwards, forwards and backwards. When grandma sits on the chair, so it moves front and back, front and back. So the rocking chair is making a noise. How it will make a noise? Crick, squeak, crick, squeak. Grandma shuts her eyes. So slowly grandma is moving the chair front and back. So slowly grandma closing her eyes. Jessica, Surabhi, Brain and Shailey come into the room. So you can see here. So one of the girl name is Jessica and Surabhi and Brain and Shailey. So here the four children are there. They are all grandchildren and they come into the room and they can hear the rocking chair. So they can hear the sound of the rocking chair. How the chair was doing? Crick, squack, crick, squeak. So it was moving front and back. The children look at grandma. So they came around grandma and they started to look at grandma. Grandma eyes are shut. Means she has closed her eyes. The children giggle. They started to laugh slowly. Giggle means slowly they will laugh. Yes? So they started to laugh slowly. Grandma opens one eye. So slowly grandma opens one eye because even though grandparents also like to play with the grandchildren. So she slowly opens one eye. She smiles. She started to smile. Are you tired, grandma? Jessica asked. So Jessica is asking to grandma that, are you tired, grandma? You are looking so dull. Are you tired? Then the rocking chair does not stop rocking. But grandma did not answer. She started to move her chair front and back. Please tell us, grandma, says Surabhi. So Surabhi started to ask, tell us with us, grandma, whether you are tired or no. Says Surabhi, what can we do? So she started to say, what can we do? What can we do? Asked grandma. So grandma, she said, what can we do? What can we do? Grandma smiles. She started to smile. You can do anything, she says. Who said? Here, Surabhi. She said that you can do anything, grandma. Grandma, you can write, you can read, you can play, you can sing, you can dance. See how they are saying to the grandma that you can do anything, grandma, that you are able to write, you can read, you can play, you can sing, even though you can dance also. So now we can also see in our home that some grandparents are very active. So They are able to read, they are able to write, even though they play with the children like a cricket, badminton. So they are very energetic. So we feel happy by looking at our grandparents. So here, can you dance, grandma? Asked Brain. So Brain asked to grandma that, can you dance, grandma? By that time grandma replied, no. She said, no Baba, I can't dance. Even though your grandparents also will the same thing, they will say. They feel shy. Some grandparents will feel shy, and the grandma here also she said, no, I can't dance. My bones are old. Why she said like that? Because she is old. So she is saying that my bones are old. Crick, squeak, crick, squeak. Can you fly, grandma? Asked Shaili. So again she started to move her chair front and back with the sound. By that time Shaili asked, can you fly, grandma? So she started to ask, can you fly, grandma? Can you jump over the moon? So grandma asked Jessica, can you jump over the moon, grandma? Asked Jessica. So Jessica also asked that, can you jump over the moon? How the children are asking to grandma. You look at the children. So just they are asking grandma that so many questions. Can you fly, grandma? Can you jump, grandma? Can you dance? So you can ride. So many questions they are asking. Can you ride a cycle, grandma? Asked Surabhi. So they're so funny they are asking to grandma. Surabhi is asking, can you ride a bicycle, grandma? The rocking chair stops rocking. So listening these all questions, she stopped her rocking chair. Can you see a bird in that tree? Asked grandma. So grandma asked the question to the children that, can you see a bird in that tree? So she is showing the bird and she said that, can you see that bird? Yes, say the children. Children said that, yes, we can see. Good, says grandma. She said that, yes, good. Now fly away and play with it. So she said to the children that, can you see the bird, how it is flying? Yes, like that. You just go away, fly and play outside. The children run away. So listening this, the children ran away. Grandma smiles. So she started to smile. Again the rocking chair started to rocking. After this all discussion, again she started to move her chair front and back.